Ever wondered how electricity powers your world? With 360 Ed Electric Circuits AR, you can explore, build, and interact with circuits like never before. Let's dive into this exciting augmented reality learning experience. Inside the box, you'll find a set of AR flashcards, including component cards, circuits cards, and reference cards designed to help you visualize and assemble electric circuits. Plus, a simple guide to downloading and using the mobile app. To get started, download the 360 Ed Electric Circuits AR app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app to activate with the sticker QR on the box and get ready to bring circuits to life. Each circuit flashcard represents a real-world circuit component. Scan component cards with your phone and watch as the component appears in 3D. Rotate it, zoom in, and learn about how it works in a real circuit. Now, let's build a simple circuit. Place a battery, a switch, and an LED card on the table. Use the app to connect them. And just like that, you've built your first basic working circuit in AR. Want to challenge yourself with a more challenging circuit such as home security alarm? Place the circuit card first. Then place a battery, a switch, a resistor, and a buzzer card on the table. Bring the components to the circuit card and use the app to connect them. And just like that, you've built your first home security alarm system circuit in AR. Want to experiment? Try swapping components, changing resistance values, or adding more elements. The app lets you test real-world circuit principles in a fun and interactive way. Time to test your knowledge. The app includes quizzes and challenges that reinforce what you've learned, making sure you truly understand the principles of electric circuits. Everything you learn here applies to real-world electronics. Whether you're a student, teacher, or DIY enthusiast, 360 Ed Electric Circuits AR is the perfect tool to master the basics of electricity. Ready to power up your learning? Download 360 Ed Electric Circuits AR today and start building the future, one circuit at a time.